Hello everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're stepping into the heart of landscape beauty, the garden pathway. A pathway is so much more than just a route from point A to point B. It is the ribbon that ties your entire garden design together. A key element that can transform a functional space into an enchanting journey. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets to designing perfect garden paths, from understanding their purpose and benefits to selecting the best materials. Stay with us until the end because we'll be revealing the top 10 best pathway garden design ideas that will completely elevate your outdoor space. Let's walk this path together. Pathway garden design is the art and science of creating designated routes within an outdoor space that serve both practical and aesthetic functions. At its core, it's about establishing the flow, or the circulation, of your garden. A well-designed pathway dictates where visitors go, what they see, and how they interact with your landscape. It defines the different rooms of your garden, separating a seating area from a flower bed, or guiding the eye toward a carefully chosen focal point like a statue or water feature. Ultimately, a garden path introduces structure, rhythm, and a compelling sense of mystery or purpose to your landscape. It's the intentional design of the journey, not just the destination. The benefits of incorporating thoughtful pathway design are numerous, improving both the utility and the visual appeal of your property. Firstly, a path provides immense functionality and accessibility. It gives you a stable, dry surface for walking, allowing you to traverse your garden easily, even after a heavy rain, and prevents foot traffic from compacting the soil in your planting beds. Secondly, pathways introduce vital structure and organization to your outdoor layout. They act as natural boundaries, clearly defining the edge of a lawn or a flower border, which makes maintenance easier and gives your garden a polished, intentional look. Furthermore, a beautiful path significantly boosts aesthetic appeal, allowing you to integrate attractive, contrasting materials like stone or wood into the greenery. Finally, a path strategically enhances the flow and experience of your garden. Whether straight or gently curving, it can guide the visitor's eye and foot to the most interesting parts of your landscape, creating a deliberate visual narrative and inviting exploration. To truly transform a simple route into a stunning design feature, focus on softening the edges and adding accent details. A key decorative technique is border planting and edging. Instead of harsh lines, allow low-growing, fragrant plants like creeping thyme, sedum, or lavender to gently spill over the pathway edges. This softens the transition between the path and the garden beds, making the path feel naturally integrated into the landscape. Next, consider illumination and ambience. Installing low-voltage or solar lighting along the path serves a dual purpose. It ensures safety after dark and creates a magical atmosphere by highlighting the path's curves and textures. Small spotlights can emphasize nearby plants or a beautiful tree. Additionally, incorporate focal points and pauses. Placing a small bench, a decorative bird bath, or an archway covered in climbing roses at a curve or the end of a path draws the eye and encourages moments of rest and appreciation. Finally, the shape of the path itself is a decorative element. A straight path creates a formal, imposing look, while a gently meandering, curved path adds mystery, making a small garden feel larger as the destination is partially hidden. Choosing the right material is critical, as it defines the pathway's style, durability, and maintenance needs. Natural stone such as flagstone, slate, or bluestone is a premium choice known for its timeless elegance and exceptional longevity. These materials offer a rustic, organic look, with irregular shapes that blend seamlessly into most natural settings. For a more traditional and classic charm, bricks and pavers are excellent. They can be laid in visually appealing patterns like herringbone or basket weave, providing a stable, hard-wearing surface ideal for high-traffic areas. If you are seeking a budget-friendly and versatile solution, gravel or pea pebbles are a fantastic option. They provide excellent drainage and the satisfying crunch underfoot adds a sensory element, though they require edging to keep the material contained. Finally, wood and decking provide warmth and texture, making them ideal for modern, natural, or woodland gardens, especially when creating elevated boardwalks over uneven terrain. Many designers also recommend combining materials, for example, setting uniform pavers within a bed of gravel, to add texture and visual contrast. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the 10 of the most beautiful and effective pathway designs ideas to spark your creativity. One, the circular gravel trail and cobblestone patio. This design features a perfectly circular lawn area framed by a curved, raised timber retaining wall, creating a distinct, layered look. A wide, fine gravel pathway sweeps around the circle, connecting a lower, formal dining patio paved with classic cobblestones. This layout expertly separates functional zones, offering a seamless yet structured flow. 2. The formal straight concrete walkway with lush borders. This pathway provides a clean, contemporary approach using wide, straight-set concrete slabs that emphasize symmetry and order. The path is softened dramatically by richly planted, multi-layered borders featuring vibrant annuals and perennials, which spill colorfully toward the edges, transforming a functional walkway into a lush, visual corridor. 3. The rustic meandering decomposed granite path. Ideal for a meadow or cottage garden, this path utilizes light-colored, tightly packed decomposed granite or fine gravel. It gently curves between tall, free-flowing perennial beds filled with sunny orange calendula and delicate pink and white yarrow, creating an inviting, soft-edged trail that feels deeply integrated into the natural landscape. 4. The curved cobblestone path through garden rooms. A charming, traditional design featuring a path constructed from small, square cobblestones laid in gentle arcs. The path defines a central lawn area, wrapping around a focal point Japanese maple planted in a decorative bed, and leads the eye toward a secluded sitting area by a garden shed, clearly delineating separate outdoor rooms. 5. The modern formal stone walk with overhead structure. This highly structured, contemporary design uses rectangular, light-colored pavers in a formal, straight layout that segments a backyard into distinct areas. A geometric, unfinished wooden pergola structure spans the beginning of the path, providing a vertical element and transition, drawing the eye toward the multi-level terraced areas of the yard. 6. The cottage garden brick paved romance. A delightful pathway using warm, reddish-brown rectangular paving stones set in a simple running bond pattern. This path is completely engulfed and softened by exuberant, overflowing cottage garden plantings, including climbing roses, spikes of purple salvia, and drifts of white flowers, creating a romantic, immersive walking experience. 7. The large curved gravel path with cobble edging. This design uses textured, golden brown gravel for a broad, sweeping curve that defines the boundary of a circular lawn area. The path is neatly contained by a striking border of darker, contrasting granite cobbles. This simple, textural combination is perfect for a Mediterranean or xeriscape garden aesthetic, offering excellent drainage. 8. The organic woodland soil trail through rhododendrons. A naturalistic, deeply shaded path consisting simply of compacted earth or fine mulch, ideal for a dense woodland or shaded garden. The path is flanked on both sides by spectacular, towering displays of mature shrubs, including vibrant rhododendrons and azaleas in shades of pink, red, and purple, creating a tunnel of breathtaking color. 9. The modern illuminated Zen pebble stairway. A stunning, high-end contemporary design featuring broad, curving steps constructed with smooth, light-colored stone and inlaid with meticulously raked white pebbles, reminiscent of a Japanese Zen garden. The entire structure is dramatically outlined by warm, hidden linear LED lighting, ensuring safety and creating an ethereal, glowing entrance at night. 10. The irregular stepping stone path across lawn. A whimsical and minimalist approach where large, naturally shaped, light-colored stepping stones are embedded directly into a well-maintained, lush green lawn. The path follows a gentle, natural curve, creating a casual, informal route that minimizes the use of hardscaping while guiding movement across the grass beautifully. As you can see, the path you choose to take in your garden is one of the most important design decisions you will make. It's an opportunity to express your personal style, whether you prefer the rigid elegance of a formal design or the natural charm of a meandering stone trail. By combining the right materials with thoughtful decorative elements, you can create a pathway that is not just a utility, but a beautiful, functional, and enduring feature of your home landscape. We hope these top 10 ideas have inspired you to start planning your own garden journey today. Now it's your turn. Which of these 10 ideas will you be bringing to your own backyard? Let me know in the comments below. We love seeing your projects come to life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the Garden Decor Designs channel for more inspiring tips and tricks for transforming your outdoor spaces. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our new weekly videos. Thanks for watching and happy designing!